Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're zooming right into the future of project management, showing you how to integrate ClickUp with Slack in this complete 2025 guide. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up ClickUp. Once you're in, navigate to the Integrations section. We start here because ClickUp is the platform we want to connect to Slack. Now that we've done that, look for the Slack integration. Click on the Add button. The reason we do this is to initiate the integration process between these two platforms. You'll be prompted to authorize access to your Slack account. Click Authorize. This is crucial because it allows ClickUp to send notifications and updates to your Slack account. Next up, once the authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp. Here you should see that your Slack account is now connected. Let me explain why this matters. By connecting your accounts, you ensure that your ClickUp tasks and Slack conversations are linked seamlessly. The final step is customization. Go to the Settings tab in your ClickUp Slack integration. Here, you can tailor your notification preferences and set up task creation via Slack. This step is important because it helps you customize the integration to suit your team's specific needs. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Slack. The whole process is pretty straightforward, but it's a game changer in terms of improving your workflow and communication. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of this integration is customization. Tailor it to your needs, and you'll see just how much easier project management can be. Thanks for tuning in, and until the next time, happy tasking and slacking.